Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, I want to unbox this Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. It's a bit an old phone, I know. There are a ton of videos on YouTube about this very phone, but I thought just make this video just to show you guys how this phone looks like, how this whole unbox experience goes. And I thought to give this phone a look because all my videos are about Apple phones. I know it's quite sad, even if I should say it myself. So I thought, why not just give this what it seems like a beautiful phone, just give it a shot. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So right out of the bat, I see this phone, the box of this phone is quite similar of the iPhone. It's a smaller phone, or it's a smaller box, I should say, without the charging brick. That I can tell without even opening the box. We have some sealings that says do not accept if seal is broken. So yeah, those ceilings are just there just to make sure that the carrier or whoever brings you this phone brings you a brand new phone and not a used one. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. And there we have it. Right out of the bat, we have the phone. It's a purple one. This color seemed to be a cool color. So let's put that aside. We have some paperwork in here. And well, we have the dongle, or the ejector tool, I should say, to put your SIM card in. And furthermore, what we have here is the USB-C cable that I think Apple should take an example of, because USB-C is all over devices and they should gravitate toward USB-C. Furthermore, we have just some paperwork and what it seems like. No, I thought this one would be a sticker, but it's not. Yeah, a quick start guide and all of that. I think no one read those. So let's go ahead and peel this plastic out of the phone. And I think, okay, so I should peel it right here. And just like that. Okay, so it seems like the phone is covered, the glass of the phone is covered by this black sticker. And I think I know why they do that, just to protect your screen. We have also a folding thing here that's slightly visible. Because yeah, obviously we can fold the phone. It's almost, I should say this phone feels very natural, even though even with folding the phone, it's a bit weird to fold a screen in half. This is the first time I fold any phone. It's the first fold phone I have in my hand. And I should say it feels very natural. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. And the screen looks gorgeous. Well, we got the welcome screen. Let's go ahead and hit the start button. We need to choose our language, so I'll go for English, United States. So after starting your phone and getting logged in, you get several ways to protect your phone. You can have face recognition, fingerprints, a PIN, or a password. So that's something that the iPhone should, so that's something that Apple should learn from Samsung. We don't have, there is no fingerprint in here. There's just a Face ID. So wherever you find yourself wearing a mask or something like that, it's very hard to get that recognition. You need to fill in your password manually, which is a bummer. So that's what I do like about this Samsung. So let's go ahead and use this fingerprint. So before I can use my fingerprint, I need to set up a PIN, so let's go ahead and do that. And now I have the possibility to scan my fingerprint, which is on the side of this phone. I thought that it would be on the screen itself, but it's on the side. So let's go ahead and let our fingerprint be scanned by the iPhone. And if we're almost there. So after a couple of minutes, your phone should be set up like this one. And right away, I should say the display is awesome. It's very snappy. I think, well, I know for sure it's 120 hertz that they use on the display, and it's definitely noticeable. Look how fast it is to navigate between those apps. Let's go to the library, and you see this is just awesome. If I just scroll from top to bottom to reduce the display brightness, let's go back, and just like that, we have a very snappy phone, even though I might be migrating from the iPhone to the Samsung, but that's not the case now. I'm just dabbling in this Samsung area just to see what's out there outside the iOS ecosystem. And I should say I'm quite baffled by how great this one looks. Obviously, we have the folding phone that looks a bit scary. It seems like the display is gonna break, but they made it such a way that you can just fold it without breaking the display. And let's, for instance, see how that fingerprint works. If I just place, wow, this is something else. You just have to place your thumb on the side and your phone is unlocked. Just like that. It's very fast, it's very snappy, and I do like that about it. Let's go and up our display brightness a bit just to see how it looks like, because I know it doesn't come through in real life. The display looks way much brighter than in camera. I should say I'm not familiar with Samsung whatsoever, so I need to dive in and discover all the things that you can do with it. I saw in another video that you can add more displays to this display. Like you can slide to the right and the left and see more options like your notifications and the weather and all of that. So that's what I will be discussing in the next video. In this video, I just wanted to show you my first impression about this phone, and this phone is just amazing, guys. There's one more detail I did like. If I just fold this Samsung here, we see the Samsung brand logo inside the fold area, which is quite a beautiful detail. If I fold it all the way through, you see the Samsung logo in there, which looks amazing. And yeah, that's actually it. I think I'll make a video in the near future about this phone more thoroughly. I'll just make a video to show you guys what you can do with it, how this folding experience worked for me, and all of that. Yeah, and I hope you've liked this video. If you've liked it, leave a smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. That helps me a lot. Thanks for your support. I read all your comments. If you have any questions about this phone, like always, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.